Hey girls, I'm proud of this one. I only got the paper on Friday afternoon, and had to perform pretty decent little miracles here to get this one up and running. So we have a suitcase. Inside the suitcase we have a very simple planner, which there's a printout for, but you could add to a very simple, quick and easy how to make your little planner, your traveler's notebook. And then inside you can either purchase the album with the suitcase or separately as a bundle, or individually will be available. We have a mini album, 7x9-inch mini album. It opens up. This is moving all the time, but this is my moving itinerary. Definitely moving better than it was. I was struggling a little bit, but I think it was, I didn't have it quite level. This here, I've got space that you could do like a little holiday journal if you wanted to. I've just popped in a piece of craft, but there's space here. There's 1/2 inch worth of space to fill in there, and it fits inside beautifully. Closes up. There's also space for your pencil. Space on this page, the mirror image, so loads of space there for photographs, and there's the option of adding more in. Each page has an insert. I haven't decorated them. They're sufficient. I've used 1 bulk pack and 1/2 a paper pack. They're sufficient to do that decorating as well. This is so much fun. I made a mistake and came about this, so it's a double waterfall. It's so cool. I mean, this alone you can hold 21 photos. Have space here for tucking bits and pieces. We've got a nice big belly band. Turning over, I forgot to put this back, but there's a closure. The closure goes on and opens up, so space there for some really cool photos. This fits on like so. Let's hope we can just get it on. Might need a little encouragement. It also helps if I have my glasses on because I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah. Gosh, it's just been difficult tonight, isn't it? There we go. Okay, once it's on, and then a nice big pocket at the back. So these will be available as either the set, the full set, or you can purchase just the album or just the suitcase.